Former Pakistan Prime Minister, the illegally incarcerated Imran Khan, has said from his jail cell that party leaders must accelerate efforts for the restoration of democracy in the country. In a message posted to his official Twitter account after only one of his sisters was allowed in the maximum security prison where he is being held, Mr. Khan expressed appreciation for his party supporters after numerous political rallies were held in which thousands participated this past weekend. A Pakistani court last week reiterated its previous judgment, ordering jail authorities to allow party officials, family and political aides access to Mr. Khan. Despite the larger bench's decision, the superintendent of Adiala jail refused to comply with the judgment. Mr. Khan slammed the contempt, saying, quote, "Today, once again, despite orders from the Islamabad High Court, my lawyers, my family and the Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa were not permitted to meet me and were turned away. This is not only a blatant violation of fundamental human rights, but also a clear contempt of court. The hearings of the baseless cases filed against me are now in their final stages, after which I will likely be placed in solitary confinement once again," unquote. Mr. Khan has at times been placed in prolonged solitary confinement and kept in what he previously described as conditions worse than those animals are treated in, with food unfit for human consumption. It has been 815 days since Imran Khan was last seen in public when General Asim Munir, the country's ruler, reportedly ordered his arrest.